Our facial cupping routine for below and above the eyes. This is perfect for those of us who struggle with puffy eyes, hooded, and crow's feet. Everything you need is linked up below in the description. First, we need our Milli Bitty Cup. This is gentle enough to move around our delicate eye area. Next, we'll need our Milli Glow Oil, which is perfect for a smooth glide so we're not tugging the skin. First, we'll apply the glow oil below and above our eyes. Once this is complete, we'll start to work our under eye. We'll take our bitty cup and squeeze with 2 fingers like so. With the opposite hand, we tissue hold with the nose. Then we start the fluid glide from the inside, moving to the outer edge of our eye. Sometimes we may have a little fumble, and that's okay. Just pick back up where we left off of. We do this fluid glide 3 to 5 times. Squeeze the cup with 2 fingers, place on skin, release, and glide. Squeeze, release, glide. Squeeze, release, glide. Squeeze, release, and glide. Next, we can do flash cupping under the eye. Flash cupping is where we pinch the cup, place on skin, release, and hold in an area no longer than 6 seconds. We repeat this process from the inside of the eye, moving to the outer edge. After flash cupping, we do at least 1 fluid glide from the inside to the outside of our eye. To summarize, we did fluid cupping, flash cupping, then fluid cupping 1 more time. After facial cupping, there may be some redness due to increased circulation. Next, we move on to the upper eye, which is so great for puffiness and hooded eyes. We're first going to do a tissue pull upwards to help tighten the skin. Then we take our Milli Bitty Cup, pinch with 2 fingers, and start with a fluid glide from the inside of the brow to the outer edge of the brow. We pinch the cup, place on skin, release, and glide. Place on skin, release, and glide. This area we really focus on following the curvature of the eyebrow. This not only helps with the puffiness, but also helps with the suction of the cup. We do this 3 to 5 times. However, if we're a little bit more experienced, we can do this more. Next, we are going to do our flash cupping just like we did under the eye. We'll pinch the cup, place on skin, release, and hold in an area no longer than 6 seconds. Once we complete this, we finish off with 1 more fluid glide, which we take all the way down to the termini, which is located at the collarbone. We can see a slight lift and decrease in puffiness after 1 time compared to the other eye. Next, we will repeat the process on the opposite eye. We first apply our Milli Glow Oil to the bottom and top of our eye. We do want to make sure we have a nice viscous oil so we're not tugging the skin. Then we start with fluid cupping on our under eye area. Squeeze with 2 fingers, apply to skin, release, and glide. The opposite hand is moving the nose in the other direction to help with the skin tightness. After we're done with our fluid cupping, we will flash cup from the inner eye to the outer eye. We squeeze, place on skin, release, and hold for no longer than 6 seconds. We do this 3 to 5 times. Once we're complete with our flash cupping, we're going to do at least 1 fluid glide from inner eye to outer. Next, we move on to the upper eye. We do a light tissue pull upwards to get that skin taut. Then we do a fluid glide starting from the inner eye, moving to the outer eye. As far as what hand to use on what side, it all depends on what feels best for you. We do this fluid glide 3 to 5 times, or if we're more experienced, we'll do this a couple more. Next, we do flash cupping by squeezing the cup, placing on skin, release, and hold for no longer than 6 seconds. We do this 3 to 5 times. Then on our last one, we're going to do a fluid glide from the inside of the eye to the outer edge. We then want to glide down to the termini like we did on the other side, which is not shown here. You can see both eyes lifted and depuffed after 1 session. Next, we have an added bonus if you struggle with hooded eyes or a puffy upper eye. We're going to take our Milli Lux cup and our glow oil and apply that to our forehead. We are then going to do a fluid glide starting from the center of our forehead, moving up and over our eyebrow to help release forehead tension and give us a nice lift. We're going to do this on both sides 3 to 5 times. After completing our facial cupping session for our eyes, we love how awake we feel, how our eyes are depuffed and lifted. Everything we used is linked up below. Let us know if this was helpful in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this.